Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to generate Power BI report using AI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So this is the data table, sales and order. And here you can see the region column, country, customer, business segment, category, model, color, sales date, list price, unit price, order quantity, sales amount, month and year. So you can see month and year. Now I'll go back to report page and I will generate a visual using a Copilot. Now here you can see the Copilot icon. Just you have to click on the Copilot icon. And here we will type first I need a total sales. So I'll say total sales. So as you can see, the total sales is 81.04 millions. So this I will add to report page as a data card. Here I will add. Now, next thing, what I want a total order quantity. Order quantity. So you can see the order total sum of order quantity 215K. So I will also add here and I will place it here. Okay. Now next thing, I want a total sales by region. So here I will type total sales by region. So it is generating a visual for us and the visual is generated now. And this I will add to report page. And here you can see actually sum of sales by region. So these are the region. Now next I will type top 5 category by category by total sales. So I need top 5 category by total sales. So let me add to report page and then we will see here. So as you can see here, these are the top 5 category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 based on total sales. Now again I will type total order quantity by region and business segment. So I need a total order quantity by region and business segment. So let me add this visual and we will see here. So here you can see these are the region and these are the business segment, accessories by clothing and components. So the sum of order quantity by region and business segment. My next query will be customer count by country. So let me add actually here and you can see the customer count by country. Now next query will be, I will go to the next page and here I will type total total sales by month here. So I need a sales trend. So I will add here and you can see now sales trend month wise sales, sum of sales. Now I will say total order quantity by top 10 customers and region. Here I am saying total order quantity by top 10 customer and region. Now let me hit the enter and we'll see. So let me add this to page. So as you can see, the region wise sum of order quantity and the max of order quantity, this I don't require, I automatically add it. And here you can see the region wise top 10 customers. For North America and Europe, you can see the top customers. Now the last query will be total order quantity by quarter and year in column, column, column chart. So we'll see. Let me add this feature. So here you can see the quarter one, year 22, 23, and 24. So these are the sum of order quantity by quarter and year. So this is all about how we can generate a Power BI report using a Copilot. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.